Oh, hi, Benjamin's here. Sorry, that's not Benjamin, that's Justin. Anyway, so, the fastest vehicle in Roblox truly is the fastest vehicle. Bam! Okay, let's go in. How fast we're going.
I think it's time that man like me just pushes back. I'm over the limit, I'm losing my grip.
This song perfectly matches what's going on. Her 12 million blocks away from the start.
The penny drops, profit is playing for cost. Music is paying for props, but it's playing for props, paying enough. I'm about getting paid to play for stage as well as looking for love. So I'm holding you down, but trying to rise above. From underground to on the ground, where you find hard bites, some are hide by hard to find. Some are minds made up. I let my work rate take shape. The music I make, create chances, make moves. Turn up the volume, here's the truth. When push comes to shove, it's all down to you. Done with that running of that
30 million blocks away from the start. There's like a little myth where if you go like floating where you go, you can like look like this. Well, it also works if you go 50 million blocks away from the start. He's flat. What happened to me? Minecraft. I look like origami. So this game will be in the description, I think. I don't even know. But anyway, so that's all for now. Play this game, it's ridiculous. I think you can color your thing because I saw a green one earlier. Whoa. Hey, I can get mine to be rainbow. What? Back out. How many points do I have? That one. What happens if I just be here? Anyway, oh my. Anyway. That's all. Play this game. I get to walk this much? Oh my gosh. We